OSHA currently does not have a specific regulation mandating full compliance with NFPA 70E, which is the standard for electrical safety in the workplace. However, OSHA does enforce general safety requirements that apply to electrical work. One key regulation, 1910.303, requires employers to ensure that electrical equipment is free from recognized hazards that could cause death or serious physical harm to employees. Another relevant regulation, 1910.333, stipulates that employers must provide adequate protective equipment and clothing for employees who may be exposed to electrical hazards. It's important to understand the scope of these existing OSHA requirements. While they don't explicitly demand adherence to every aspect of NFPA 70E, they do establish a baseline expectation for electrical safety in the workplace. Employers are obligated to identify and address potential electrical hazards to protect their employees from harm. In 2014, OSHA issued a Notice of Proposed Rulemaking, abbreviated NPRM, with the intention of revising its electrical safety standards. This proposed revision included a requirement to comply with NFPA 70E. However, this NPRM has not yet been finalized and remains under review. This means that while OSHA has signaled its intent to potentially incorporate NFPA 70E into its mandatory regulations, that change has not yet taken effect. The status of the NPRM is subject to change, and it is advisable to stay informed about any updates from OSHA regarding its electrical safety standards. Even though full compliance with NFPA 70E is not currently mandated by OSHA, it is widely recognized as a best practice for electrical safety. Implementing an arc flash program based on the guidelines within NFPA 70E can significantly enhance employee safety and help employees meet OSHA's existing general safety requirements. An arc flash program helps protect employees by providing them with the knowledge, skills, and equipment needed to safely work on energized electrical equipment. It also helps employees identify and mitigate arc flash hazards in the workplace. Furthermore, it's crucial to acknowledge that OSHA retains the option to issue a revised electrical safety standard in the future that may indeed require compliance with NFPA 70E. Staying ahead of potential regulatory changes is a proactive approach to workplace safety. Even in the absence of a specific OSHA regulation mandating compliance with NFPA 70E, employers have a general duty under OSHA's General Duty Clause, specifically Section 5A1, to provide a safe and healthful workplace for their employees. This fundamental duty extends to identifying and mitigating all workplace hazards, including electrical hazards such as arc flash risks. Therefore, adopting an arc flash program based on NFPA 70E should be considered a prudent and proactive measure. It helps to protect employees from potential injuries and demonstrates a commitment to complying with OSHA's broader safety requirements. By implementing such a program, employers can create a safer work environment, reduce the risk of electrical accidents, and ensure that they are meeting their obligations under the General Duty Clause. In summary, while OSHA does not currently require full compliance with NFPA 70E, adherence to its principles is considered a best practice for electrical safety. Moreover, employers have a general duty to provide a safe workplace, which includes mitigating electrical hazards. Staying informed about potential regulatory changes and proactively implementing safety measures based on NFPA 70E can help employers protect their employees and comply with OSHA's requirements, both current and future.